Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are returning to our tropical weather analysis for this Friday until Monday, January 29 to February 1, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat. Beginning today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday, we have a strong surge of the northeast monsoon, but it's a little bit drier. There's no heavy rainfall occurring over the affected areas, but expect some drizzles to light rain showers to still occur along the eastern and northern sections of Luzon, those facing the coastal areas, and also that includes the eastern sections and southern coastal sections of the Bicol region, and also across the Visayas. So it is mostly partly sunny to cloudy skies with some passing light rain showers or drizzles along these areas. And over here across the Sulu Archipelago, northern portions of Mindanao and eastern Mindanao, it will be affected by the weaker northeast monsoon or the northeasterly surface wind flow. So far, that's the latest. So there's no problem when it comes to heavy thunderstorms. Only light rain showers will be expected from this northeast monsoon, which is somewhat good compared to the past monsoon surge, wherein we have heavy rainfall. So it looks like the precipitation is somewhat lighter. But still, please take all necessary precautions, especially along the areas of the Visayas and facing the eastern sections of Bicol region, and because of some big waves generated by this northeast monsoon, which the winds will be gusting up to 75 kph, especially along the coastal areas. Along the southernmost parts of the Pacific Islands, south of Palau, we have a surface trough, but nothing to worry about. We have here a tail end of a frontal system over the easternmost part of the central Philippine Sea. So far, for the next 5 to 10 days, we don't have any developing LPAs or tropical cyclone that will develop across the western Pacific. So here's a strong high-pressure cell, about 1028 hectopascals or millibars, generating this northeast monsoon across the Philippine Islands. So far, that's the latest. So let's enjoy this slightly cool weather down to just 23 degrees. And a maximum of up to 29 or 30 degrees centigrade. So this is not warm and not too cold. So that's the latest from our GovSat. Let's take a look at our fast animation. You can clearly see here the low-level clouds generated by the northeast monsoon. And if we look at our zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, you can clearly see here some low-level stratus with some nimbostratus clouds affecting the Visayas and portions of Bicol region, particularly the eastern section, as well here along the mountainous areas of Cagayan Valley and eastern Luzon, including Batanes, will be under the influence of the surge of the northeast monsoon. Now let's take a look at our 3-day rainfall accumulation. This is from the European model, courtesy of windy.com. So for the next 3 days, we could experience some rainfall, light rain showers here across the northern and eastern sections of Luzon, some isolated areas, and also across the eastern sections of the Bicol region, which includes Legazpi, Sorsogon, eastern Visayas, and also the northern sections of Panay and Negros, some areas of Oriental Mindoro, the eastern sections of Mindanao, as well as some portions of Misamis Occidental will be having some light rain showers brought about by the surge of the northeast monsoon as well as the northeasterly surface wind flow. So far, that's the latest from the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days. Now, let's take a look at our wind forecast from the American model. As you can see here now, we have the surge of the northeast monsoon at up to 60 kph. And it will continue to occur until Sunday, but on Monday it will start to weaken just the northeasterly surface wind flow when we reach Monday. So far when it comes to the rain, it's not a problem. Just some drizzles and light rain showers will be expected for the next 3 days. So far, that's the latest from Typhoon 2000, and we'll be returning again on Monday to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser. Happy weekend to all, and thank you so much for watching our channel.